Can anyone explain to me how this could be legal?
This is one of the fastest ways to make your first $1,000 with affiliate marketing.
And he's gonna do it in 5 steps. And trust me, you will not like step number 5.
Go into Capterra.com and then choose categories.
Step 1, go to Capterra. This is kind of new and weird.
And now we can browse categories of products we're interested in promoting. And I'm gonna choose airline reservation.
Choose airline reservation as niche. Have you done this before? I didn't.
And now we're gonna choose a product that we'd like to promote, so we can choose something like BizAway.
Choose a product that you want to promote.
And when we search that product in Google, we see that there are no ads running for this product.
Step 3, Google and check for competition.
So that means it is completely open to us. Next, you want to search Google for that product's affiliate program so you can begin promoting it.
Step 4, find out affiliate program for it and collect your affiliate link.
And then you're going to make a simple ad like this on Google, so every time somebody searches for that product, they'll click your affiliate link and you'll get paid.
All right, step number 5, running Google ads. The first no is because it's expensive and risky. And the next no, if you put your affiliate link into Google Ads, your ad account is going to shut down in no time. This was an absolute bad advice. Don't follow them. Do this instead. Use your affiliate link and make an automated funnel. Use AI, learn about your niche, and then make simple and short video content just like us and publish them across YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. All these platforms will send viewers to this automated funnel, and when they make a purchase, you earn $500 plus in passive affiliate commission. Now, this may not happen in airline niche, and that's why we don't promote random offers. We only promote high-ticket affiliate offers. And the reason our students love our program is because it's 99% done for you. To learn more, comment 99, and I will DM you with the link to a free case study.